Hey guys, we're back in another video. Today we're gonna be playing this game, but yeah, I kind of messed up because my microphone doesn't work. I didn't turn on my microphone, but yeah, we'll be intercepting. Yeah, so I'll just be doing a voiceover. Um, yeah. So if you guys get me to 2K subs or more, I will do a sub. I will do a face reveal. Yeah, I will have to be recording this again because I forgot to turn on my microphone and my microphone wasn't on the whole time. So yeah, and we got a big tornado. I hate how the map just ends. But I'm sorry that my microphone doesn't work. I didn't turn on my microphone, but I have to do a whole voiceover because I have to do it for a whole 14 minutes. So, yeah. We got a big tornado. This one looks like a. This one will. This one will. This one will. This one will be like a. Oh no. This one will be like a fire. No, not a fire. Why is it so short, bro? Why is it so short? Oh my god! No, my car! 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 What is my car doing? Skibidi up, yeah. Oh my god, it's like a 303, 303, something 303. I knew it, 303. I finally get by vortex. Oh my god. We spun my vortex, yeah! Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna do an interview. Look at it. You can see that we have like red part has like a tornado. You can see it. And then we got like it's more like lower, so we don't get like picked up. And we have like a camera right here. I don't know if we're able to control it, but we have this the top that makes so hail doesn't come through, and some break out windshield. So yeah. Big tornado. It means big time to us. Why is it so short again? Oh my god! It's so short. I can barely get. Oh my! Ow! I just got ran over by Dominator 201. Is that a 201? I think we got it. Look at that Dominator. It's gonna be. That's that Dominator 201. It's gonna get picked up. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna get picked up. Oh my god! Don't. Okay. I'm gonna I might undeploy because this is easy. Yeah, I'm gonna undeploy. I'm gonna try to get I'm gonna try to get the richest title. You get 5 million. find what's even is the secret? I'm gonna find the secret today. I'm gonna find it. I'm literally gonna find out. I'm gonna find it. Let's check this house. Okay, let's see. Nope, nothing. Tornado! Should I go to the tornado or should I get a secret? I'm just gonna go to the tornado. Should I get the secret? Oh my god, finally, it's a long tornado. I think I can go at least like a 15 miles long. Oh my god. It's hitting. Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm shaking. I'm gonna try to get into the camera. I can't go into the camera. Why? Why can't I not be in the camera? Why can't I not go into the camera so I can see it? The camera, what is the camera even for then? What's the camera even for? I'm just snapping because my hands hurt. My bad. It makes my hands feel better when I snap. This one's gonna be a fire. I'm gonna call it. This one's gonna be a fire. I know it! How did I guess that? How did I actually guess that? How? Next one's gonna be a fire tornado too. Okay. Where's it going? It's right here. Why is the fire tornado Huh? Let's go. Let's intercept this next tornado. It's gonna be a fire one. Next one's gonna be a fire. Next one's gonna be a fire tornado. Next one's gonna be a fire. Next one's gonna be a fire tornado. The next one's gonna be a fire tornado. Oh my god, I knew it. I just know it. The next one's gonna be a fire tornado. I just know it. Oh my god, I'm gonna check right here if there's any secrets. No, just nothing. Any secrets? No, there's no secrets up there. After this, I'm gonna play my VR. If you guys wanna add me, my name is Christmas Frog. I forgot to change it. Oh my god. Go. It's gonna be a fire tornado. It's gonna be fire. I know it. It's just gonna be a fire. It's going to be a fire. I know it. I know everything, and now it's gonna go off the map. Oh my god, it's so stupid. I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. Tornado forming. I'm gonna brake check you, boy. I'm gonna brake check you. Oh my god. I'm gonna brake check you. Brake check. Oh my god. This one's gonna hit the town. This one's gonna hit the town. This one's gonna be a fire. This one's gonna be another fire. Another fire tornado. Another fire. I'm gonna guess it. Fire. I guess interception bro. 3.0. I guessed it. I guessed it. Okay. Go. Try this. Try over there. Try over there. Fountain. We have a long fire tornado. It's not that long, but it's long enough. No complaints. The way you understand me, the way you need, the way you just whisper me. Yo, where's that bacon go? Yo, get out my car! Get out! Get out! Oh, his fault! Oh my god! My bad. I had a really good cough. Let's go. Go. Yeah, this was going to work the map too. Oh my god! Big boy! Big boy! 6'7". 6'7". No, it wasn't. Okay, after this, I'm gonna show you a movie. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a movie right now. I made 3 tornado movies. I'm gonna show you them. First, it's Dom 1 got picked up by Joplin. No, Dom 1! And then we got Tornado. And then we got Tornado Warning after. Okay, Tornado's like the best one. The Tornado Warning's the best one. It's the first one. This is Elvino. This is TIV2 intercepting Elvino. And then best for last, TIV2 Tornado Warning. Okay. The tornado's gonna get him. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's basically all. So, yeah. That will be all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.